Mic check, mic check. Yeah, the mic all right? Thanks a lot. Yo, it's Brother Weave. Some of you might have heard of me. I talk about money, I talk about rap music, I talk about getting high. But now, I'ma talk about God. Back in the time when I was lacking a dime, my hopeless youth had me slowly get attracted to crime. Then sat in the lines to talk it out with practical minds. Felt the force within me, get all my talents combined. Enacted a mime, enlightened, I decided to rhyme. Delighted and excited and planning a rap till I'm prime. Started spilling ink on the paper and plan to get time. But the world is by so wild, they got me slapped with a fine. Never got a chance, they never let me spit on the mic. Only cause I come from the land where people ain't white. Day and night I keep flowing, completing all my demo tracks. Inspired being denied the right by anti-democrats. Unleash my race through music intense. The cultural shock that got my whole community tense. That's when I close my eyes and talk to God. Peace in my head, I'm singing this song and it goes like
तुझ्या पाठी पाठी मी सदा मग कसली फिकीर तुला चल अल्लद अल्लद जाऊ दे तुझा गगनाला झुला तुझ्या पाठी पाठी मी सदा मग कसली फिकीर तुला टिम टिम त्या ताऱ्याचा